Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn the poem Space Between by Judith Wright. So firstly I will tell you what is the poem about. So Space Between is the poem about the gaps that exist between human beings and possibly humans and the environment around them. The poet speaks of frail bridges that form tenuous connections between one another. Yet it is the silences that form the biggest gaps between us. It seems that the poet is talking about the gaps that language is never able to quite bridge, something that many critics and philosophers have spoken about. It is the another example of free verse poem. The rhythm and structure are enhanced by the use of assonance and variable rhyme. It is meant to flow like speech, but at the same time there is a certain lyricism that comes through. So let's start the poem. Space between lip and space between. So the space between lip and lip means we human beings do see each other but don't talk to each other unless we have any work with the person or any individual. Living and long dead flesh can sometimes seem the same. Means, as how the long dead flesh is there, it cannot talk, it cannot move. In the same way, people sometimes appear that they don't talk to each other, there is communication gap between them. So, in this poem, we are going to learn about all the gaps between human beings. We strive across, we strain to those who breathe the air. Means we see the people around us, but then also we have gaps between them and us. To those in memory, but here is never there. So, to those in memory means, for example, say during our school days we used to go to our friends house and talk to them, talk to their families physically. And but in this case today we are very busy in our studies or doing jobs or having a hectic schedule, so we don't get time to go and communicate with our friends or our relatives. We just talk to them if we have work only with them, and not just for time pass or for spending time with them, feeling happy with them. We don't do like this. We call our relatives or our friends only for the work that we would have with them. But here is never there means we have our friends and relatives in our memory only, but we don't really physically go and visit them or don't talk to them really. And only the mobile communication has grown, but due to mobile communication, the physical conversation has become less in these times. What is the space between enclosing us in one united person yet dividing each alone? Means we all know that our friends and relatives, we are yet united persons and we are enclosed to one another yet divided by each other alone because we have communication gaps grown today. And this is the most horrible thing, that people have forgot humanity and they are just living alone without the support of anyone. Frail bridges cross from eye to eye, from flesh to flesh. Frail bridges means weak bridges. If, for example, there are two friends and they meet each other after very long time, but as if suppose, take an example that you have your school friend and you have met her or him after 25 years. Then the communication gap has grown between you and your friend. So, when you will meet one day, you will not have the topics to talk about, as you were having in your school days. So this is the communication gap which has grown from eye to eye and from flesh to flesh. Means sometimes it happens that even if we see our good friend or our relative, then also we don't talk to them, just see. So this means frail bridges cross from eye to eye and from flesh to flesh. And if we are meeting our friend after so many years, then also we will have very much less communication as compared to we were having communication in our school days. So understand this, that communication has stopped between human beings. From word to word, the net is gapped at every mesh. Means from word to word and from every where the gap has grown between you and your friend. If you are trying to build a bridge that will be weak and your relationship will not last for very long time, and this each human knows. Yes, of course, each human knows now that the communication gap has been increased. However close to our touch or intimate our speech, silences spaces reach most deep and will not close. However, each human is now getting to know that communication gap has been increased, and but he knows the silences spaces or most deep will not close. Most deep will not close means these gaps are now not going to fill, means these gaps are not going to be filled. Are you getting it? I want to say that if you and your friend are meeting after so long and you don't have topics to speak, and you also know and your friends also know that this gap is not going to be filled and your friendship will stay, but communication gap is going to stay like that only. So we have to take care that the space between is not increased between our friends and relatives, and to have humanity all over with everyone, with each individual, and have a happy life. So I hope this poem is clear to you all, and please share, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and please comment on what other poems you want me to make video. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.